All right, now it is time for the dictionary. Now, actually, the dictionary somehow it is the same as the list, but this time with the key value pair. So if I have this var1 okay and equal, now this time I will put brackets, braces I mean. Okay, now here I will put key value pair. So I will put the first thing, which is name, then put colon, then put the name of this guy or this person, which is Mike. Age, for example, and put the value, which is 30 or 31 or whatever. All right. Now, as you can see, if I want to print this value, so I want to print the name of the variable, which is var1, and then put the squared brackets. But this time I will not put 0, 1, 2, it's like the list indexing. Now, this time I will put or provide the key value, okay, which is name or age or whatever. And of course, with brackets like this, double quotation, because this is a string. And now let's check this out. Actually, if I print this, you can see that the value is wrong. Yeah, actually, I forgot to put the list here, which means the name Mike, age is 30, and I will print the var with name. And let's see what will happen this time. You can see that it is Mike. Okay. Now, I want, and I can put and print the age, actually, like this and like this. So let's check this out. Actually, it should be 30. Yeah, everything is working as expected. And by the way, actually, you can put dictionary values inside the list. So let's have a look here. So actually, the var1 this time, I don't need it to be like this. I want it to be like this, like a list. And inside the list, I will put some of the values like 1, and the other value is 2 or whatever. And the third value, I want to put it as a dictionary. And here inside it, I will put this the other thing, which is what we handled, the name Mike. And yeah, don't forget to put the comma here. And the age, put anything you want, which is 30 or whatever. And let's print var1, but this time I cannot do that because this is a list. This is not a dictionary. So I will put 0. This will print the first one, which is 1. And 1 will print the second index, which is 2. And third, I will put 3 like this. So this will print the dictionary. So let's check this out if it is working or not. Yeah, you can see this is out of index because this is 3. Sorry, I forgot. It must be 2. Yeah, you can see that the name is Mike and the age is 30. Okay, so far so good. Now, what if I want not everything from the third index, which is the dictionary index? I want the name and or the age. How to do that? Well, actually, it is very simple. You can just open a new one, and this time we will put the name. Okay. So if I return here and put it, you can see that this time I print the name from the dictionary, which is the Mike. Okay, the value. So as you can see, key value pair. Okay, so name Mike, age 30, and you can see from here, from the third index 0, 1, 2, the third index, print name. Don't print the whole dictionary. So it will work 100%. Okay, thanks for watching.